Hello friends, I'm Kamran once here again from IT Hub. Today I brought some tips and tricks about your WhatsApp. Many people have to install different kinds of applications for make their WhatsApp stylish. But after watching this video, you don't need to any application for this purpose. You just need to follow these tips and tricks. Before we go our lesson, it's my humble request to subscribe my channel, and if you have any problem you may comment here, and there is the red color logo for the subscription. So here we go our lesson. Click on the subscribe now. Friends, just you have to open your WhatsApp, and after that you will have to select any chat from your contact. Let's select this person, and after that you have to write your message. Let's write anything, and if you want to this text bold and you want a bold font, you will have to write star on both sides of the text. You are looking, it's become bold. You may send him, and if you want your text in italic font, you can also do that. You just write your text, and after that you will have to write and this symbol on the both sides. Now you are looking, it's become italic. And if you want your text line in front of your text, you can do also that. You just need to select symbol this 2 times, and on the both side of the text you have to write in center of these symbols your text. Just what you will write between these 2 symbols, there will be a line on your text, and I think it's amazing. And if you want these 3 fonts in just one text, you can do also easily. You have to write these 3 symbols on the both side of the text. Let's first write 2 times these 3 symbols, this one and this one. And the second one is second one is on the other side. Also you have to write this star, 2 times star. No, you have to write between these 6 symbols your text. What you will write in between these symbols and that text will be very stylish, just like look there. What you write here is will be in 3 fonts: bold, italic, and a line in front of your text. You see, this is also amazing. So if you like this video, just subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share this video with your friends, and remember me in your prayers. Okay, bye.